just gone for some nice, it's brilliant with the red glitter card, okay? So what I'm going to do is just trim this red glitter card in half because I can cut both of these at the same time. Now I'm going to cut them on the Gemini, but these will also fit through your mini. So we've made these that they will fit through your mini if you want to use them with the Gemini mini. I'm just doing them with the larger Gemini for speed. And here we go. What I'm going to do, Derek, is I'm going to position one die one way and then one die the other way so that we can get both pieces on one sheet at the same time. Just to be good, what I'm going to do is pop a little bit of tape down here as well to hold that in place. So I've got two like this and I've got two like that. And all we're going to do is stick them into a cross. So your tape pen is absolutely brilliant for this, which is why we've included one in the kit. And then I'm just going to stick the first one, then the second one on there. Little bit of tape on all four sides, then we're going to come in with the third one. Look what I'm doing there, little tip, Derek, is I'm just folding it up as I get to it to make sure all these edges fold in really nicely.
Okay.
Next one comes on there. Pop this piece in, so it's just going to fold in there nicely.
So you just do the slots opposite each other.
All slot into place, and then literally, now I like to just do a little bit of shaping like this with my fingers, right? So you just shape it round. These two bits fold up flat, and then these literally go over the top and just secure into place. So each one here, there you go. There is our original, there's the little box secured into place. I'm going to get a little bit of white cardstock here, and I'm going to come in with that next part that's still the worker die, so this part here. And actually, let's just go quick and easy and let's do this with the Gemini Mini, right? So here we go. You get these two bits here, and then these just fold in, and you put a tiny little bit of tape onto here, and the second one lines up exactly over the first one. And then again, a little bit of tape. You see why you need the tape pen in the kit. Tape pens are brilliant for doing these speedily.
Well, and you only need one hand, don't you? So you can, you're so accurate every time, aren't you?
So that goes over there like that, right? So that, if you were making it just as a Christmas bauble, which we will do later in the show, that's actually just the base of the box, and then you make it and you put the little circles on to do the top of the bauble. Now, if you wanted to seal this closed, which I haven't done with any of mine really, you just pop a bit of glue on that. So for example, if you were hanging these on the tree, you wanted to hang them up by here, you don't want them to fall off. So that's when you would just stick a little bit of glue on there, or repositionable tape to hold it. What I'm going to do though, is make this into a little Santa Claus. So what we're going to do is we're going to make his face, right? So all I'm going to do is I'm going to get all the extra bits out. So he's going to need a round face. This here, by the way, is Santa Claus's nose, ears, eyelashes, and his mouth. Can you see? Nose, ears, eyelashes and mouth. Then we've also got this one here, which is going to do his moustache and his beard and everything. This one, if you want it, by the way, is his belt. I'm going to stick this then to the front. Now this is, and obviously it's got the 3D glue gel on, so it's still drying a little bit, but that is just going to go over the front there of your other piece. All that stuck together, and then that literally comes and sits on. And we've done the whole Santa Claus there. Oh, I've realised what we haven't done. We haven't done any of these, anything down here. So can you see, if you want to finish him off, all you can do is, I did cut a little belt out. So you just cut a little belt out. The belt sticks along the front. A couple of these other bits become the buttons. And then again, you can take his little Santa Claus head, and his Santa Claus head just sticks over the top. And you've got a whole little Santa Claus there.